Hello everyone and welcome to this module on the plumbing trade. In today's video, we are going to learn about the rainwater harvesting system, rainwater and drainage pipe system, and fixing the rainwater gutter outlet and ground pipe. By the end of this video, you will be able to make a pit and fill the pit with gravel, fix rainwater pipes, connect the pipes to the pit, cover the pit, fix the rainwater gutter on the metal shop end, connect the PVC pipe to the gutter, assemble the pipe shoe at the end of the pipe, measure, mark and fix the pipe as per the drawing, connect the pipe and fittings and check the joints. Let us collect the tools, equipment and machinery required to do this. Trowel 1, spade 1, pickaxe 1, mortar pan 1, hacksaw 1, hammer 1, straight edge 1, measuring tape 1, chisel 1, plumb bob 1, rowel jumper 1, caulking tool 1, spirit level 1, blow lamp 1, water tube level 1, screwdriver 1, bricks as required, sand as required, stone aggregate as required, cement as required, pipes as required, fittings as required, RCC cover or grating as required, drilling machine as required, mason pits as required, PVC pipe 6-inch as required, PVC pipe shoe as required, swan neck pipe as required, offset pipe as required, metal sheet as required, gutter as required, bracket as required, solvent cement as required, vent cowl as required, door cross, Y, etc. as required, thread seal materials as required, hemp yarn as required, lead as required, door bend as required, door tee as required, plain bend as required, plain tee as required, collar as required and a PVC bend as required. Let us look at the steps involved in rainwater harvesting. Determine the catchment area and clean that area. The place where rain falls directly is the catchment area. It collects water for the system. Choose a clean area on the property to collect rainwater. Determine the layout. The layout and location of the tank and pipelines are determined in such ways as to maximize the use of collection surfaces. There are several options, but the major ones are the spread out tank option and cluster tank option. Set up storage. The rainwater collected from the roof of a building is diverted to a storage tank. The storage tank has to be designed according to the water requirements, rainfall, and catchment availability. Each drain pipe and collecting system should include a mesh filter at the mouth and first flush, also known as roof washer device, which will divert the first flow of water away from the tank. A filtration system before connecting to the storage tank, an air gap to prevent stormwater backflow. Each tank should have an excess water overflow system, and excess water could be diverted to the recharge system. Installing the pipes and tanks. Seek necessary permissions if required from the authorities to lay the pipes. Dig trenches if laying it underground. It is preferable to have the pipe as a single fall to avoid sediment collecting in places that cannot be reached easily for self-cleaning. Lay the pipes in trenches or otherwise and connect using connectors. For installing tanks, make a tank stand as per the requirement. Place the tanks on a stand and ensure they don't blow away when empty. Connect them so they behave as one volume. It is recommended to put a valve for each tank for easy maintenance. Install first flush diverters to keep the most contaminated rainwater out of your rainwater tank. If the tanks are in a sump, it would require overflow arrangement drainages. When the overflow is undersized, the pumps will flood. Make the final connection between the PVC or suitable collector pipes and the tanks. Install a tank gauge to regularly monitor the water level and usage. Measure and mark the rainwater pipe. Measure and mark out the center line of the pipe using a chalk line and plumb bob. Check the pipe for bends or other defects. Fix the bracket. Take the measurements of the pipeline considering that the bend will be inserted in the pipe. The shoe will become 50 mm above the ground level. Make a hole in the parapet wall larger than the bend's outer diameter. Fix the bend. Join the pipes from the bottom of the bend. Fix the bracket loosely. Fix the shoe to the pipe and bracket. Test the pipe vertically using a plumb bob. Connect the rainwater pipe to the drainage pipeline. Test it for leakages. Fixing the drainage pipe system. Measure and mark out the center line of the pipe work installation on the wall. Mark the position of all fittings like the Y-bend. Check the pipe and fitting for visual defects. Measure the pipe work connecting the fitting including the length entering the socket. Fix brackets at standard intervals in the laying wall or structure. Keep the pipe and fittings in position temporarily with the aid of brackets fixed to the structure along the center line of the pipework. Ensure that each pipe is entered fully into the socket. Centralize the joint using small wedge or packing. Join the pipe and fittings using lead or cement mortar starting from the bottom. Tighten the bracket, cure the cement joint and check for leakage. Fix the rainwater gutter outlet and ground pipe. Place the gutter at the end of the rooftop or outer wall. Fix the gutter on the metal sheet end. Draw a pipe layout. Measure and mark out the center line of the rainwater pipe. To connect the rainwater pipe in a gutter outlet, join the pipe from the bottom of the gutter. Mark a hanger or bracket position and follow fixing of pipes. Fix the rainwater pipe with a bracket at the required length. Join the pipe and shoes from the bottom of the gutter. Connect the rainwater pipe shoes at the end of the ground level. Check the complete fitting on the joints. Ensure that the pipe is properly laid and hang pipes and fittings by clamping or screwing. In this video, we have discussed how to make a pit and fill the pit with gravel, fix rainwater pipes, connect the pipes to the pit, cover the pit, fix the rainwater gutter on the metal shop end, connect the PVC pipe to the gutter, assemble the pipe shoe at the end of the pipe, measure, mark and fix the pipe as per the drawing, connect the pipe and fittings and check the joints. Hope you have a clear understanding of this session. Thank you all and see you in the next video.